Kevin is here for his routine maintenance adjustment. Take a deep breath there, Kevin. All the way out. Perfect. Hey, Kevin, what happens when you get regular maintenance care?
Feel better.
Exactly, absolutely. Now, what happens when you don't get maintenance care, Kevin?
Not as flexible.
Yeah.
Soreness.
Yeah. The pain comes back, right? Yep.
Came in the first time because of slipped disc or something in the lower back trying to take a TV down on my own.
I remember that. Came in walking crooked. Remember that, Kevin?
I couldn't stand straight up.
When things are lined up, they work better. Kevin, that's great. Kevin.